Do you realize the incredible potential that lies within you, waiting to be discovered? Self-reflection is your key to understanding and reaching new heights. Unleashing your true potential starts with understanding yourself better. Self-reflection is not just about introspection. It is about discovering the hidden facets of your personality and abilities. It is about understanding your strengths and weaknesses. At its core, self-reflection is a powerful tool that can revolutionize both your personal and professional life. The power of self-reflection can transform your life, opening avenues you never thought possible. Harnessing the power of self-reflection is simpler than you think. Start by keeping a daily journal, setting aside quiet time for introspection, asking yourself challenging questions, and seeking feedback from others. With these simple habits, you can start your journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Now that you know how to harness the power of self-reflection, it's time to take action. Which self-reflection habit are you eager to work on first? Share your thoughts in the comments below.